Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Carper, Sadie District Technology Coach, coming to you with your Google Slides self-evaluation. Now, what this video should be is kind of a nice reference tool to the self-evaluation if you don't know how to do something or you want to make sure that you're doing it right. So let's go ahead and go down through our checklist. So to create a Google Slides presentation, you could do this a couple of different ways. If you're in My Drive, hit New, then Google Slides. You'll get yourself an untitled presentation, fresh and ready to go. If you are in the Google Slides area yourself, you can either hit the plus sign for a blank one or go through the template gallery for something that has a little bit more form to it. But in this case, let's go back to our example Google Slide. Adding slides is easy peasy. Let's go ahead and you can hit the plus sign. You're going to get a very, very basic slide. If we use the down arrow here, we can add ones with a layout to them. If we want to change the layout to a current slide, simply right-click on the slide and go to Apply Layout, and you can change it. Apply Layout. Upload and convert a presentation. Let's go full screen for this. Go to My Drive. Let's go File Upload, and let's grab a PowerPoint that I already had downloaded. You can see it's in PPT format, so we're going to open this guy up, hit Open With, and Google Slides. Now this will take a minute, so if this does not immediately respond, it is normal. There is a file conversion going on right now. Typically, the conversion process comes over about 99% correct. Usually, you may have to adjust some things after the format moves over, but just check over the converted materials. As you see, same file name. Now it's a Google slide. Most of the stuff looks about right, but as say, maybe there's some formatting issues in here that you have to check out during the after the conversion. Let's go ahead and slide this back over and back out of here. Now, if we scroll down, we can see here's the original PowerPoint. And here's the Google slide. Let's go to change the background and the theme of the presentation. So that's pretty easy. Let's take a look. Quite literally, change the background. We can change to solid colors. We could pull in an image from existing pictures. We could do searches by URL, Google Drive, and bring those in. Or you could simply reset to a specific theme, which in this case was white, or add whatever you choose to that theme. So backgrounds, as I said, could be solid colors, images that you could upload from the internet or your computer, and built right into your theme. In this case, I'm going to hit Done. Now themes are nice. These are already built in, ready to go. Let's go ahead and grab this one here. Now as you see, it applies the theme to every slide we have. We could change these back, put them to a different one. As you see, every time I click on a new theme, the current slides that I have change with it. Let's see, add text, image, and video or word art to a slide. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and edit our first. My example, Google, slide. Okay. I can add, insert, word art. There it goes. Let's pay by. Okay, press enter. Now from here, I can change the formatting, but let's just say I just want to move it around. As you can see, this is where we're going to manipulate it. I can make it smaller. I could change colors on my word art up here. Taller, shorter. Let's just slide it to the bottom for right now. If I wanted to add video, so if I want to insert video, I could do a YouTube search. Everybody loves puppies. Cute, funny and cute husky puppies. So that's going to give me an actual video box. Okay, and let's just say we had a website up about huskies. let's use Wikipedia. I'm going to highlight this, and we're going to bring this right into my example. Highlight the text, right-click, put a link, and paste in your URL. That way I could use this for reference, or I could simply put information about Huskies. Highlight, right-click, link, paste in the URL. And whenever I want, I can just pull that up and it's directly linked to it. So rearranging is pretty easy. You've got the entire area to work with. You can move things around like you're working on a drawing board. Let's actually make this big. Could pull my example back in. As I said, we can manipulate the size and the angle. Pull my word art up. Pull my link back up. And there we go. Now sharing should be similar to everything I've ever showed you in our previous presentations. We could share here, type in the email address. Also, we could use a shareable link, say that we want to email this around or post this in Google Classroom. So we can copy this guy, make sure you have the permissions set where you need them to be. In most cases, you're just going to simply put the email in here. If this is instructional material for students, copy link is the best thing to do and paste it in your Google Classroom. I hope this self-eval has been of some help. Take a look at the checklist. Make sure that you can do everything that's on here. Thank you.